Hello everyone, so I'm back with another video. In this video I'm going to cover the modulus function, which we also call it absolute value function, and its properties, and an example in the end of this video. So let's get started. We start with the definition. So the modulus of a number is its distance from the point 0, 0 on the number line. Okay, so that is the definition. Now let's represent it in the mathematical blend. Mod x is represented as a piecewise function x if x is greater than or equal to 0, and negative of x if x is less than 0. So I write it down on a notebook. I'll be back. I hope you have noted it down. So let's erase it and move to the graphical properties of this function. So let's draw the graph of this function. So the graph of this function looks like this, V. Okay. So it has a V-shaped graph which looks like this. It's fine. So its vertex lies on the origin, vertex, and the graph on above the x-axis, positive x-axis, is called as y is equal to x, while on the negative x-axis, above the negative x-axis, we call it y is equal to minus x. Okay, so this is the graph. Now we learn some properties related to it. Properties. Make sure you are noting it down because these are essential things that one should know about modulus function. First one is mod x is greater than or equal to 0. Modulus function is always positive. Second one is mod x is equal to 0 if and only if x is equal to 0. This is the definition of if and only if. Okay, so now moving to the third point, the third property, which says that mod of AB is equal to mod of A into mod of B. So this is just the distribution of modulus function, distribution of modulus in the numbers, in the multiplication of numbers. AB, here we have AB, and it distributes on A and B. So it is also called as distributive property of modulus function. Now the fourth one is mod A by B is simply mod A over mod B, given B is not equal to 0. Alright, now we are going to learn how to implement the modulus, the concept of modulus function in the question. So let's make it more clear through one example. Example. Let's take an easy example in the beginning, because this is just an introductory video of modulus function. So x minus 5 is equal to 3. So here we have x minus 5 equals 3. And to do this question, we create two cases. In case 1, we put 3 as it is, means x is equal to 8. In case 2, we get x minus 5 is equal to minus 3. Okay. Sorry, the marker is out of ink. I have to use another marker. X minus 5 is equal to minus 3, which means x is equal to 2. So we have two values of x which satisfies this equation. We have x is equal to 8, 2. So this is how we implement the modulus function in this type of questions. So this is it. I hope you enjoyed the video. Okay, bye.